What's going on, everybody? So, we have to talk about Baby Doge. We have some new stuff forming up inside of Baby Doge right now. It's actually pretty good. We're getting utilities here, and it's really going to help out the project a lot. So, that's what we're going to talk about today. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice, but let's get straight to it. So, as you can see right now, we are at 9Z9. So, this is pretty good. We dropped all the way down here to 9Z8. I say it's pretty good because it is a discount in the price. And typically, every time we get down to this price, we always end up pumping. Usually we trade sideways for a little bit until we actually finally pump. So, it could be anywhere from a month to 2 months to 3 months, but it just depends on what the crypto market is going to be doing. Because as you know, the crypto market, it's kind of been a little bit iffy lately, but everything else, has been recovering. But we really haven't seen that same recovery coming in for Baby Doge. We've had some good recovery for a lot of different coins, but Baby Doge has not really seen that recovery that some of these other projects have seen. So, for instance, we've seen Bitcoin go all the way from like 52K to where it's at now. So that was pretty big, to 57K. So I don't know why exactly, Baby Doge is not doing, good numbers right now, but it might trade sideways for a little bit. Doesn't really matter. It's a discount price. It's very, very cheap for a price here with Baby Doge. What I will say right now is we are at the Fibonacci retracement area, which is pretty good. So the Fibonacci that we're here right now at, if we are to go back down here to this discount price point, that would be when it actually pumps, and that's 9Z8, like 9Z8 flat. So that would be a good discount for people to pick up Baby Doge at. So I would definitely say that's one of the levels that you want to watch out for. Now, these discounted prices here is part of our Chart Prime automated trading indicators. They're with the Market Dynamics Pro. If you sign up for Chart Prime, make sure you look into the Market Dynamics Pro. Just add your predictive ranges, add your premium discount zones, and that will have those set up for you. That's how I do my trades, especially for the stock market. If you've seen the Dollar Tree video I did, that was a easy money setup, and I used these exact indicators to actually do it, and it was actually a pretty good trade, very good trade actually, and I pretty much predicted it like spot on. Right now I'm inside of Google right now, but anyways, enough of the stocks. We're gonna make some stock videos later on, but what I want to talk about here with the Baby Doge is we have not hit that discount price zone yet, so we've already got rejected at our premium price point, which just so happens to be at the top of our momentum wave bands, indicating that we're about to have a pullback. So we have that there. And now our discount price zones are right where our support zones are for our momentum wave bands. So that's where the momentum actually comes in for Baby Doge. So that's why I love using Chart Prime. Check out the link in the description for that, for the Market Dynamics Pro and the Market Oracle Pro. The Market Oracle Pro is for our momentum wave bands. All you got to do is come over here and add the momentum wave bands, add the prime range assistant, and then the prime trend assistant. So that's what you want to add, the prime range and the prime trend assistant. So the prime ranges are going to be your ranges here. The prime trend assistant is pretty much almost like a moving average. So these are definitely good to add on there as well. Anyways, that's just a little bit of what's happening right now with the prices of Baby Doge. Still waiting for a little bit of a pullback. Now, temporarily, we could have an increase in the price. And the reason why I say that is because if you look at the 15-minute chart here, you can see we have a nice little wedge pattern forming up here, but we could get rejected from this wedge pattern. There's always that possibility that this wedge pattern is a rejection pattern. So, we could be rejected here, maybe not. We'll just have to wait and see. But right now, it's looking like it could break out on the upside. All right. But it could also get rejected. So we got to wait for that. It's kind of hard to tell because, we're right below our Fibonacci. We couldn't break past it this time. We're getting higher lows right now. And then we're getting, as you can see up here, lower highs. So it's really squeezing in there. And this is a good textbook pattern to look at. So that's just a little bit of our technicals. I just wanted to show that because it's very important for the people who like to trade Baby Doge. And if you like to trade Baby Doge, like I said, Chart Prime, link in the description for that. You guys definitely want to get it very, 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 very cheap. Um, I use it all the time. I literally use it every day. You can get it risk free for 7 days, money back guaranteed. Discount code Prime20, 20% off. It'll also be helping support the channel. But as you know, I don't have any sponsors on the channel. I don't like to do sponsored videos from crypto projects because most of them are scams and they email me literally every single day. So I just have like 2 links there that I like to promote mainly, which is MEXC and Chart Prime. So you can check out those in the description. You can also get Baby Doge on MEXC as well if you want to trade on there. But anyways, moving on from that, let's talk about the utilities, the big news for the day. So we got some utilities, and these utilities are just going ham right now. So as you can see right now, while we are internally testing our Solana bridge, we are also working on more utility products to buy and burn Baby Doge tokens. So we can buy back and burn Baby Doge tokens with these utilities that they're creating. And they're pretty much creating almost, it's like a token creator actually. So we got a lot of different stuff going on, and you're going to be able to launch tokens directly from Baby Doge. Now it says create a coin in seconds. Revenue goes towards buying back and burning Baby Doge coins. So that's pretty good. We're going to be able to have these projects created out of thin air pretty much. You can literally create coins with Baby Doge. So that's going to be pretty interesting. Really, really interesting. We'll see exactly how that plays out. And then it says over here, we are working on a platform where you can launch your tokens within seconds and users can browse and explore them. We are also adding a YOLO feature soon. Check the screenshot. Protocol revenue will be used to buy back and burn Baby Doge tokens. So this is going to be a really big utility. And they also say it will be multi-chain. So that's also good. Now, what they also said in the post, remember, they mentioned that while they're creating the Solana bridge, they're going to be doing this. So they're still working on the Solana bridge. The Solana bridge should be coming out soon, and they're still working on it. So all that is good. But anyways, that's pretty much all I got for y'all today. I really just wanted to hone in on that. And like I said, we could be having a pullback here with Baby Doge, or we could have a temporary rally, but that pullback is inevitable. It's going to pull back again back to 8Z8. So I know a lot of people don't want, or 9Z8. A lot of people don't want to see that, but it is what it is at the end of the day. So it is what it is. But anyways, if you want Chart Prime, check out the link in the description. Best automated trading indicators out there. So you can either get the monthly one or the yearly one. Try it risk free for 7 days, money back guaranteed. Use the discount code Prime20 for 20% off. So go ahead and check that out because you'll make your money back literally in one trade. So just think about it. You're paying $67 a month, and in one trade, let's just say you're trading with $1,000, right? You make 10% on that $1,000. That's $100. You already made your profit and some. And that's what I'm doing in the stock market, really, because it's a lot easier to make that money inside the stock market than the crypto market. It's just a lot easier to predict where the stocks are going. And that's why I've been trading the stock market a lot lately, because you can just trade options, and in one day that 10% is covered. You can literally make 10% in a day if you get the right option costs or the right put. And I usually do calls. I don't like doing puts, but in this market, it might be a put market coming very soon. But we're going to talk about that inside of specific stock videos that I have coming out. Anyways, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Definitely support the channel. Check out Chart Prime. And as always, I'll be back with another video.